Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing the 10 common mistakes of life that we all make. Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes, we may find ourselves making decisions that are not in our best interest. But fear not, we're here to help you avoid these common mistakes and live a more fulfilling life. Mistake number 1, procrastination. Putting off tasks until the last minute can lead to stress and anxiety. Start your tasks early, prioritize them, and tackle them one at a time. Mistake number 2, not taking care of your health. Your health is your most valuable asset. Don't neglect your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. Mistake number 3, focusing too much on money. While money is important, it's not everything. Don't sacrifice your happiness or relationships for financial gain. Mistake number 4, dwelling on the past. The past is behind you, and there's nothing you can do to change it. Learn from it, let it go, and focus on the present moment. Mistake number 5, not being true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, be true to yourself. Embrace your quirks, strengths, and weaknesses. Mistake number 6, fear of failure. Failure is a part of life, and it's okay to make mistakes. Learn from your failures and use them as opportunities for growth. Mistake number 7, not asking for help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Mistake number 8, holding grudges. Holding on to anger and resentment can be toxic to your mental health. Learn to forgive and let go. Mistake number 9, not living in the present moment. Life is short, and it's important to enjoy every moment. Don't get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. Mistake number 10, not pursuing your passions. Life is too short to not pursue your passions. Find what makes you happy and go after it. And that concludes our video on the 10 common mistakes of life. We hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.